Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I want to take you through on how to make money online just watching videos on YouTube. This is something with a legit. Just follow me to the end so that you make some few dollars, just $200, just watching videos. You can. Can work in worldwide, in Uganda, Kenya, Africa, and at the global at large. So watch me until the end. You get to know how to make money online. Stay tuned until the end. Thank you. My YouTube channel. We are making money online this time around on YouTube, just watching videos. This is you just check for the link in my description down below. Then you know how to make money online, every step by step. Follow me to the end and know. So after this is how it looks like. It's called the USC video. Then you can sign in. Yeah, you can sign in. Just a few minutes, then it signs. You get done with signing in. So here I already have an existing account with them. So just let it run for a few minutes, then you get done. How to make $200 in a day. Just stay connected until the end. You just know every step by step. Yeah, as you're viewing here, I have already made some money through referrals. Those are the $111, and already made some money. And this is withdraw money. Yeah, you can withdraw, then watch videos. Already at hand I have $70.78. Yeah, so to watch video you can just go there, tap watch paid videos. Yeah, it just runs for a few minutes, then it will open and it will display videos for you to watch. So on watching the videos, every video you watch to the end, you get some few dollars. Stay connected until the end. Yeah, just you see, these are all videos. We are going to watch one just to prove that. Yeah, I'm just going to watch one with a little pay so that you may see what I'm talking about. Yeah, so these are the videos we are having here at the moment. Yeah, we are going to watch a video. Okay, let's watch this one for $4. Then you see, if you can remember the other side, we were having over $3, sorry, $70. So let's watch this and see. Here it's gonna be some moment of silence because you can only earn money at the end of watching the video. So we are going to let it to run just for a few minutes, then you see what I'm talking about. You guys, people are making money. So stay connected until the end. You shall get some good times. Yeah, you shall get some good times. So stay connected until the end to make some few dollars. Yeah, here I'm talking about the few dollars I'm talking about is $200 plus. Just you can make just within a single day. So stay connected. I have proof to show you. I have proof to show what I'm talking about, because here people are making money. People here are making money, guys.
Welcome to VK Imagination.
Yeah, people are making money here. As you see, here it's on a countdown. At the end of the countdown, that's when you can have your money paid to you at the end of the countdown. So let's wait for the countdown to end as we are here. Yeah, thank you. Stay connected until the end. We have come to an end of the video, so you can tap add to account. Yeah, you tap, then you'll add just a few dollars to it. Then as you see now, there is an increment that has been, as we are seeing. So that's just that's something very easy and legit. So stay connected until the end so that you may know more about this. Please subscribe, like and share so that you not miss out any video. Yeah, yes, check in my subscription so that you may get the link for this video on how you can. Yeah, and to the end of this video, there is some proof I want to show you that there is some people earning money. Yeah, just to go to withdraw, people are making over $1,000 in a single minute, guys. Just stay connected. So this is some little kind I want to show you on how you can get your money. You can get your money through Western Union systems, and then a Payway, mobile bills, Bitcoin account, MasterCard. Those are the ways that you can get your money, that you can get paid. Then let's first get back to the main account. Then you see that at the end of it, I need to show you proof that there's some people making some good times. So don't stay behind. This is Nehemiah Peters. Subscribe, like and share. Here I to inform you on how you can make money online. So don't stay behind as people are making money. Yeah, you can just a matter of watching a video, then you get dimes. Matter of watching a video, dimes. Yeah, something very easy. Yeah, so this is some little proof. Today is 19th, as you're seeing. People are making some real dimes, guys. People are making some real dimes. 19th payments on 19th, 2021. Yeah, that's November. As you're seeing, the decrease from here, people are making money of different amounts just watching videos. Here, this one got 847.6 for 599. Yeah, different countries as we are seeing. I'm seeing here there is Russia, America, there is Israel, Bangladesh, there is IcePack, Denmark. Yeah, and more. Let me click more and so that you may view more countries that are making money here. But don't stay behind. You guys are making some dimes. Don't stay behind, guys. People are making dimes. Just stay connected. Yeah, as you're seeing here, Malawi. This is Africa now. Malawi is Africa. As you're seeing different bandera flags of different countries, Americana, then South Korea, Togo, Burundi. Also Burundi is Africa, Libya, and also there is, I'm seeing here, there is also Ethiopia, which is Africa, and other countries, Lagos. Different countries are making money. Morocco, yeah, that's South Africa. Yeah, stay connected until the end. This is proof that people are making money, guys. Yeah, so don't stay there and don't miss out on this opportunity of making money. Yeah, make money in a simple and easy way, just watching videos. As long as you have data on your phone, click on it. You find this description and my find the link in my description. Log in, start watching videos, you get paid. Yeah, just as long as you make the minimum amount you need, you can make withdrawals. Yeah, so stay connected until the end. Please subscribe, like and share. There is more proof I want to show you. Yeah, stay connected. Guys, as you're seeing, this person made a withdrawal of 3 AM already. So it's also some little proof.